Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. My hair's a bit weird, I just came back from Muay Thai. Check out the sunset. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, MCRT, Solana, and pay attention to MCRT. If you followed my warnings, I said pay attention to MCRT 1 month ago. It's up 1,100% from then. So hopefully you listened. You have to always do your own due diligence, but 1,100% is quite a big movement, 11 times your money in the last month. And we're just getting started. We have very exciting, big announcements lined up each week. Huge influencers are starting to talk about MCRT everywhere. We came first in all metaverse projects on CoinMarketCap. We came first in, we came in the top 5 for CoinMarketCap community out of all crypto coins. We're reaching the position of 500 on CoinMarketCap. Our goal is to go into the top 10. The current valuation is around 28 million. To go into the top 10, we're talking hundreds of billions of dollars. So we're on the way there. Let's jump into the charts for Bitcoin now. We're going to the charts for Bitcoin. Bitcoin still back. We're getting a little bit of a bounce today. It's holding on this support. This is good candles. What's happening here on the daily? We've got tweezer candles, 2 wicks down, and then recoveries. We have about 12 hours to make sure this candle closes higher than it is. If it does, this is a very good candle. It indicates we could be at a bottom. Now, this was the bottoming formation that happened at 17K. Then we had this big bounce up to 25K and then a big drop. But as you can see here, Bitcoin is sitting right on these support lines. You can see here was a lot of supports. So hopefully it can hold. On the daily, the stochastic is oversold. And that's the time to be buying. So the time to be selling is when the stochastic is overbought above the dotted lines. Time to be selling is above the dotted lines. Time to be buying is when the stochastic is below the dotted lines. And right now we're below it. So in my opinion, time to be buying. On the 4-hourly, we are also oversold, heading up with a lot of volume coming in for Bitcoin. We're getting a strong bounce. Look at that wick. It wicked down, big hammer candle. We wicked down to 20,900, big recovery, now sitting at 21,400. In my opinion, it's creating a bottoming formation. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks up. It's kind of bottoming here. It needs to hold to remain bullish. If it breaks here, it will not be good. The trade that I said earlier this morning is slightly in the profits. It wicked down and almost came close to the stop loss, but back in the profits. If you've taken this trade, move your stop loss into profits. This is the same trade I would take because it's got such an epic risk to reward ratio trade. On this trade for Bitcoin, it opens at 21,294, stop loss at 20,696, take profit at 75,522. So you're risking $601 to make $54,000. With 10x leverage, it can be $540,000. So an amazing trade to be taking on Bitcoin. Let's go in the hourly overbought, so it can pull back a bit. 15 minutes slightly, oversold. So if you haven't yet opened the trade, I would set the trade up like this. On the 15-minute pulling back, on the hourly pulling back, looks bull flagging. Yeah, I would open the trade exactly as I just said. This is the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. I'll get rid of this yellow line so you can see the trade more clearly. So this trade opening at 21,294, where we are now, stop loss 20,692, take profit at 75,000. It's an amazing risk to reward ratio trade. You will be risking on this trade, it's risking this one here, risking 90 risk to reward ratio is 90 times. So risking 601 to make $54,000, one of the biggest trades ever. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin right now. Now I'll show you MagicCraft. MagicCraft is now ranked. It's pulling back a little bit today, down 9% today, ranked 531. It's on the Ethereum chain. It's on the Solana chain, BNB, Phantom chain, Certic audited. Market cap 27 million, just under 27 million. Volume about 2.2 million. The volume is holding. This is on the daily charts. It's been pulling back a little bit today. On the daily, on the weekly charts, coming to a major supports. On the monthly charts, it's been up 1,100%. So huge gains on MCRT. Big congratulations to all of you. MCRT is a play to earn game, so pay attention to it. Also in the staking protocol app.magicraft, it's got around 426 million MCRT staked. The APR is actually dropping over time because so many people are staking, and you can get it on PancakeSwap. So that's what's happening. And MagicCraft, this is on MagicCraft Twitter. We're now on, wow, big storm is coming. We're now on 95,000 members. This is the trailer for MagicCraft. This is the PC version. This one is PC version. This is the mobile version, which we're playing right now, internally testing. Magicraft was the top of the top 30 metaverse projects by performance the last 7 days. Wow, so windy. Magicraft coming first, beating all the main, Avagotchi, beating all Gamium, Atari Token, beating all the other play-to-earn games. Magicraft came first in the last 7 days. Top 30 metaverse project. Magicraft first, which is incredible. Don't forget to sign up to BitGet. If you go down below, the link is in the description. If you sign up to BitGet and you move $100 worth of MCRT, well, guys, I got to go inside because it's storming like crazy. If you move $100 worth of MCRT, you go in the chance to win a $40,000 prize pool of MCRT, and that's to list on BitGet. So everyone that has MCRT, move $100 of it onto BitGet, so you can go in that chance to win $40,000. The link is down below. $40,000 worth of MCRT. The storm is crazy with the thunder. Okay, I'm going to go inside while I keep recording because the wind. That's what's happening there. What else do we have? We have most traded tokens on PancakeSwap. MCRT was more traded than PancakeSwap's own token. MCRT was traded more than PancakeSwap's own token, which is a very big kind of thing. Now 95,000 people on Twitter, which is beautiful. And yeah, that's what's happening for the Magicraft world. We're now on Solana blockchain as well, which is very good news. What else is there? You can also join us in the MCRT chat room. There's 44,000, almost 45,000 members in here. Great group to be joining. You can learn from them and talk all with each other. Everyone's celebrating Magicraft's massive gains, which is beautiful, but it is pulling back slightly today. This is one of the characters inside the game. It's already on iOS and Android. We're having internal testing. Now, to go into the internal testing, to be part of the closed beta, you need to either have 1 million MCRT or one of the Genesis NFT collections. 1 million MCRT is about $17,000 or $18,000 now. 1 month ago, 1 million MCRT was $1,700. Wow. Check out the storm. So that's what's happening, everyone. Let's quickly jump into Solana, and then I will let you guys... then I'll have to get going because it's very loud here. Solana holding strong on this Bitcoin, but not really any movements up. It broke out of this rising channel. It's bottomed out. It's on the support. Let's see if it can hold. Let's go into the weekly. On the weekly, Solana looks amazing, but it is slightly turning down, but it's on a major support. It went all the way up to almost $50, then pulled back all the way. It nearly erased the gain from the bottom, which is unfortunate. We had this big movement with Solana and then a big pullback. On the daily, oversold on the stochastic. On the 4-hourly, midway heading up. On the hourly, also heading up. But it could be bottomed here. We have a lot of support, so I would be going along. But just keep in mind that for Solana to do what Magicraft did, to go up 1,100% in the last month, that's the trade I'll take on Solana. That would be the equivalent of Solana to go up 1,100%. I'll show you what that means. So this is the current price of Solana. So info line, to do what MCRT did, to go up 1,100%, would be the equivalent of Solana going to around $428. So I'll show you MCRT now. MCRT in the last month, MCRT in the last month, down 5% today. So this is MCRT in the last month. It's gone up from the bottom to where we're sitting right now. It has gone up 1,096%. So to the equivalent of Solana, it would be going to $400 and something. And MCRT is still only a $29 million market cap to Solana. It's also bull flagging. You have to do your own due diligence. This is my token, so just keep that in mind. I am the founder of this project. It is very exciting what we're building, and I can't wait to show you the open beta. We're in talks with a lot of the big centralized exchanges, and we will be announcing every week one of the exchanges, the biggest in the world. We will be announcing soon the closed beta for only people that have the 1 million MCRT or Genesis NFT collections. And big congratulations all of you who are in MCRT right now, ranking the first metaverse project in the world, which is incredible, and even ranking the first token on PancakeSwap above PancakeSwap's own token. Incredible news. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.